Planning to explore Boston, but don't want to carry your luggage around all day? Radical Storage offers a quick and secure way to store your bags while you enjoy the city. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit your luggage at a luggage storage point in Boston using Radical Storage, a trusted platform with secure, insured storage options. Radical Storage partners with local businesses like hotels, shops, and cafes, ensuring that your luggage is safe and fully insured while you explore the city. To avoid phishing sites, it's always best to use the secure link in the video description to access the official Radical Storage website. Once on the site, finding a luggage storage point in Boston is simple. Just type Boston into the search bar, and you'll get a list of available storage locations across the city. Choose a location that's convenient, whether near tourist spots, transit hubs, or downtown Boston. Then, select your desired drop-off and pick-up times, and proceed to payment. Radical Storage guarantees secure transactions, so you can book with confidence. Once your booking is confirmed, you'll receive a reference number and directions to the storage point. When you arrive at your chosen location, show the staff your reference, and they'll store your bags safely. That's all. Now you can enjoy Boston hand-free, knowing your luggage is secure with Radical Storage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.